One holiday season in the city of Doha, Qatar, there were two Filipino cousins named Miko and Nonong who met 5 years later. They last see each other way back in the Philippines.
Who is that? It's me, Nonong. Miko, please open the door. Hi, Nonong. I'm so happy to see you again. Welcome to Qatar and welcome to our home. I'm so happy to see you too, Miko. Come over here and have some dates Mama prepared for you. What is dates? They're grown on date palm trees and have been staple ingredient in Middle Eastern cuisine for thousands of years. But those dried dates can also be eaten as a snack. Try some. Wow, your sound system looks so cool. Can you play my favorite music? Sorry, no. But you are here in the Middle East. This is Ramadan period and we have to observe some important things as our respect to Islam region. During Ramadan, it's okay to listen to music on your phone through headphones or in private space. Playing loud music is not advised, nor is driving and playing music at the same time. I saw many restaurants around while we are on our way going here. Can we chill outside for a while and have to my favorite pizza and some refreshments? During Ramadan, Muslims abstain from eating any food and drinking liquids from dawn to sunset. It is not a rule or religious law, but out of respect for those who are fasting. If you'd like or need to eat and drink, find a place where you can do so. Restaurants are closed during the day. Some open only an hour or so before sunset for takeout orders, but after iftar, all restaurants open. What is iftar, Mikael? Iftar refers to the evening meal for breaking or fasting during the Islamic month of Ramadan. Muslims fast in the holy month of Ramadan. Don't worry, Nonong. Mama will surely cook something special for you.
Nonong and Miko then exchanged their stories. Until around 11:30 a.m., they started to hear the salah coming from the nearby mosque outside.
Allahu Akbar.
And what is that noise, Miko? You just mentioned it's not allowed to make loud sound during Ramadan. And what is the Arabic singing voice that we're hearing right now? That is the prayer of our Muslim brothers called Salah. Now is the time for their midday Islamic prayer called Jur. They usually have these Salah prayers scheduled at different specific timings every day, even it is not month of Ramadan. I think the food is ready. Come, let's go to the dining room for lunch. Mama, for sure, prepared special meal for us.
So Miko and Nonong take their lunch. After they finish their eating, they return to the living room to have some siesta.
Hello, good afternoon. Who's on the line?
Hello, good afternoon, Miko. This is Tito Marlon. My duty at work is over. I will be reaching there within 20 minutes to pick up Nonong. Please tell him to prepare.
Okay, Uncle. See you later and take care. No, Tito Marlon is done for his duty. He'll be arrived within 20 minutes. Daddy has just left more than 6 hours ago. How possibly his duty is over only for as early as that period? During Ramadan, all working hours change, including banks, malls, markets, and other more working hours during Ramadan are legally reduced by about 2 hours a day. Really? Yes, no. Ramadan is spiritually joyous occasions for Muslims. Even we are non-Muslims, whether we are fasting or not during Ramadan, we shall respect this observance, especially that we're here in an Islam country.
After around 20 minutes, Tito Marlon arrived with his car outside Miko's house. Miko, I'm already here. Nonong, kindly get outside, and Miko, don't forget to tell my regards to Mama and Papa.
Bye, Nonong. See you soon. Bye, Miko. Till then. Nonong, don't forget to wish your friends and others Ramadan Kareem. Sure, Ramadan Kareem, Miko.